right, gang, let's really nail it this time. Here we go. A one, a two, a one, two, three, four.
She's got a smile that it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories, where everything was as fresh as a bright blue sky.
All right, Tommy, you're the oldest. I'm counting.